friends, welcome back to our channel. For people who have seen our last vlog, we are in Munnar and today we definitely plan to explore Munnar. It's 10:30 in the morning and we have already checked out of the current hotel we are staying. We thought we'll explore some other hotel also. This Belmont is right in Munnar town where we stayed yesterday. It is an amazing hotel. Superb cleanliness. The staff is very good. Even the breakfast was very good. So
and
yes.
the advantage is the service is very fast. You order anything in room service, you want anything, they will just be quick. And this is one of the hotels that we have stayed जहाँ पे इतना quick service मिला है. I'm super happy. A big shout out to Belmont. I mean, we have paid for the room, but we really want to promote this place because this is really good. अगर आप आ रहे हो मुन्नार without plan करके ये होटल आओगे तो आपको disappointment definitely नहीं मिलेगा. It's clean. It's where the staff is super helpful. Big thumbs up for this
highly
hotel.
recommended.
Yes.
So today now we plan to explore. Let's see. I'm not gonna say where I'm going or what I'm gonna do because कल जब भी बोला है कहीं जा रहे हैं हम लोग कुछ हुआ नहीं है. So आज हम जाएंगे, पहुंचेंगे वहाँ पे, फिर देखते हैं अगर वो एक्टिविटी हो रहा है तो then we'll tell you where we are.
Yes.
So see you there.
See you there.
Transfer your mobile, you can take a printout, you are on account, you pay only 500 rupees for that. After finishing the ready within 2-3 minutes, you will process and give it to your mobile. Are you interested, you pay that also.
So we are at Karmalagiri Elephant Park and now we're going to do an elephant ride.
Finally.
I don't know if you can see it, but we'll sit on the elephant and try to take those footages
Yes.
and show it to you.
So there's a ticket. I think on one elephant there are 3 people, but you pay for the elephant, not for the person. So we pay 1,600 per elephant, and since we are 2 of us, we get 1 elephant all to ourselves, and it's a 10-minute ride. I'm super scared. First of all,
I'm super excited, not scared.
First of all, I don't like sitting on any animal. I'm a hardcore animal lover. But yeah, this is an experience, so I thought, why not try it once? So and I see that it's not directly on the elephant. Like they've cushioned the elephant very well. So I think the elephant is not harmed in any way.
And
here.
I think it's an elephant park, and I see that they take care of their elephants very nicely.
Yeah.
They've kept them with love and care. Like I can't even see them hitting them with a cane or anything. They're just doing like this to the elephant and he's moving.
But every elephant has one caretaker.
One caretaker, so it's very well managed, and we are super excited to tell you how the ride was. Super excited. I'm super cold also.
And I'm super scared.
As usual. So finally we are on top of the elephant. Yeah! This is the first time I'm doing this. Are you doing this for the first time?
Obviously, I'm
There's another elephant
scared.
here. Oh my god, cute elephant. All elephants are cuties.
And when it moves, you feel like it's an earthquake.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Seriously, it is scary, but it's fun too, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now we are going on top of the mountain and मुझे यहाँ दिव्या साउंड आ रहा है. ओ देखो देखो, ये है डरा हुआ चेहरा. ऐसे डरते हैं लोग. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is crazy, guys. मैं बोल ही नहीं पा
हम
रहा.
ऐसे है ना, इसके लिए ज्यादा
This is like 45-degree inclination and it's crazy, guys. फट रही है पर मजा आ रहा है. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Oh my god. Oh my.
So we are going here like this.
Oh my god.
मैं आगे बैठने वाली थी, but I thought it would be scary and it is scary. आदर्श लग रहा
Oh
है कि वो
my
गिरने
god.
वाला
This is fun, bro. मजा आ रहा है, bro.
Woo! See the way it is
If you are
moving.
coming to Munnar, guys, please do this. This is an experience. आपको ये करना चाहिए.
is our ride which is going on right now. तो ऐसा जाके एक एलिवेशन है ऐसा ऊपर की तरफ, जब हम लोग एकदम ये ऊपर वाला स्पॉट है, अब इधर से हम लोग नीचे जाएंगे घस के वापस.
Yeah. And this is just a 10-minute ride. Super fun. I was scared, but मजा आ रहा है.
Yes. अभी हम लोगों ने ब्रेक लिया है. You know why? Because our elephant is pooping.
Yes. See.
Don't show the
Fresh
poop.
poop.
This is crazy, guys. And वो
ये
बहुत आवाज भी
खा
कर
भी
रहा
रहा
है,
है.
कुछ खा भी रहा है वो.
കഴിക്കാ അത് ആഹാരം കഴിക്കാ അതിന് പോണ്ട.
He is breathing very hard right now because शायद पॉटी करते वक्त उन लोग जोर से ब्रीथ करते हैं. ये हमारा एलिफेंट ड्राइवर ने हमको बताया है.
हमारा डॉग पॉटी एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ज्यादा है. आज एलिफेंट पॉटी एक्सपीरियंस भी
बेसिकली एनिमल पॉटी एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा है हमको. नाउ वी आर गोइंग एलिवेट हो रहे, हम लोग एकदम नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं डिक्लाइन पे.
Yes.
ओह माय गॉड, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कैसे शूट कर रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे ही नहीं पता. ओह माय
ऐसे
गॉड.
जा रहे हैं हम लोग. So the 45 degrees what we climbed up, now we are going down.
ओह माय गॉड.
Crazy. Adarsh is feeding the elephant. नहीं नहीं मेरे को डर. We are done with the elephant ride and we are back to the boarding point. So now
दोनों पैर इधर डाल.
Adarsh did feed the elephant and we are done.
साथ लगाना है. Yeah. Come. Done with our elephant ride. And man, what a hell of a ride it was. ये
Crazy.
एक super experience था. अगर आप मुन्नार आ रहे हो तो प्लीज़ ये करना, मिस आउट मत करना इसको. Now we are going to माटुपेट्टी डैम. ये भी बहुत फेमस स्पॉट है यहाँ का, हमको देखना है, चेकआउट किया. मैंने कॉलेज के टाइम पे देखा था. एंड दिव्या वांटेड टू सी दिस प्लेस. आई वाज लाइक लेट्स गो. सो अभी हम जा रहे हैं माटुपेट्टी डैम एंड आई विल शो यू द क्लिप्स ऑफ दैट.
Yep.
So the 360 clip that you saw before was Mattupatti Dam. So we have reached Mattupatti now, and now we are planning to do the boating probably. Let's see. कितना एक्साइटिंग लगता है उसके ऊपर है. अगर बोटिंग करने मिला तो बोटिंग शायद कर लेंगे.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just love the vibe here, right? It's beautiful. बहुत मस्त दिख रहा है. Surreal. Peace.
And actually मातुपेट्टी डैम के दोनों साइड से रोड्स है. Both the places take you to different spots.
Yeah.
So हम लोग एक साइड आए, देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे क्या है. यहाँ पे शायद कुछ नहीं है. So we'll have to go back.
As usual, we took the wrong turn. ये वॉलपेपर जैसी जगह जो आपको दिख रहा है, ये है टी प्लांटेशन. हम लोग इसके बीच में आ गए. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स लीगल टू कम हियर. इट्स अ प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी, बट हम सोचे व्हाई नॉट जस्ट घुस के एक बार वीडियो तो खिंचा ही सकते हैं. सी हाउ एक्साइटेड शी इज.
Oh my god, I was waiting to do this. This just came out. This is a private property. I would not recommend people doing it because if you're caught, you could be into legal troubles. But this was so pretty, and I did not get a place where I could go there and click some photos. तो सोचा यहाँ पे कर लूँ. And finally आंटी थी वहाँ पे. आंटी ने हमें बोला कि आप लोग चले जाओ, मैं देखती हूँ, कुछ नहीं होगा. So हम चले गए अंदर and we took an amazing video and we clicked some photos there. And now we are back. अभी हम लोग दिस इज जस्ट अहेड ऑफ माथुपेटी डैम, तो अभी हम लोग उधर जाके बोटिंग या कुछ करेंगे जाके. दिस आंटी हु वाज सेलिंग सम फ्रूट्स, she's kept all her fruits here. She only told us to go and take the video. तो अभी हम आंटी से कुछ मैंगो वगैरह ले रहे खाने के लिए. This mango with some red chili on it. It's just yum. Boating location, but I think it's lunchtime, so they've kept it closed for an hour, and we really don't have time to wait for an hour.
And the speedboat is like 2 kilometers away.
Yeah, on the other end there is also speedboat. This side they have kayaking and pedal boat, which is 400
rupees per person.
Yeah, pedal boat is 400 rupees for two. Yeah, for two, and that is for 30 minutes. So हम नहीं कर रहे, शायद हम लोग का नेक्स्ट जो मुनार ट्रिप होगा, जब भी होगा हम तब करेंगे ये. बट एनीबडी विजिटिंग मुनार और विजिटिंग केरला एंड कमिंग टू मुनार, ये करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इवन इफ अगर आप लोग एलपी में यू डू द बैक वाटर्स, स्टिल आई वुड सजेस्ट यू शुड डू इट हियर, बिकॉज एवरीवेयर आई गो आई एम लाइक, अरे आई एम फ्रॉम एलपी, आई विल नॉट एन्जॉय बोटिंग टू मच, बट दिस, look at the location. It's between the mountains, so the location is crazy, and it would definitely be a different experience. So I think you guys should try this place out. Also यहाँ पे बोटिंग के बाहर आपको बहुत सारा शॉपिंग है. आई थिंक मुनार टाउन में जाके शॉपिंग करना वुड बी अ बेटर ऑप्शन. आई थिंक यहाँ पे शायद महंगा होगा, बट आई डोंट नो, वी आर नॉट बाइंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर. बट या मुनार इज़ फेमस फॉर कॉफ़ी, टी, चॉकलेट्स, स्पाइसेस, सोप्स, ये सब यहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं. हैंडमेड सोप्स वगैरह बहुत अच्छा मिलता है मुनार में. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच यू कुड बाई फ्रॉम हियर. सो हमारा तो पॉप्स हो गया, आज का पहला पॉप्स है ना, आज के दिन का. तो हम अभी जाते हैं कोई और लोकेशन में, देखते हैं व्हाट एल्स वी कैन कवर फॉर टुडे. Wow. We are buying some fridge magnets from here, because now wherever we are going, we are collecting the we are collecting the fish magnets from everywhere. So I thought, why not we'll buy a fish why am I not saying fridge? I'll buy a fridge magnet from here. This is the viewpoint in Munnar, and we have come here. Oh my god, it's so hot. So the weather in Munnar is very unpredictable. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है लंदन आए हैं, क्योंकि लंदन में भी ऐसे ही होता है, सुना है मैंने कि कभी धूप होता है, कभी बारिश होता है, कभी ठंड होता है. यहाँ पे देखो अब चला गया धूप, अचानक से धूप चला गया, ठंडी आ गया. तो here it is mix of very hot sunny weather and very cold weather.
बट आपको हॉट मतलब आपको गर्म लगेगा नहीं. It's just that कि धूप बहुत लगता है बट गर्मी नहीं लगता है.
Yes.
So it's a pleasant weather all throughout.
So this is the viewpoint. If you see, everywhere it is
Green. Tea.
everywhere it is
plantation.
tea plantation. Wherever till that end, what you can see, it is just tea plantation. So people stop here for the view. This road over here, so Adesh was telling me 10 years back, this was just a single lane ganda sa road. But abhi ye national highway hai, right from Kochi to Rameshwaram, which is in Tamil Nadu. So
रामेश्वरम इज लाइक एन अदर एंड. सो इन लोगों का प्लान है कि कोच्चि टू रामेश्वरम जो रोड है उसको ये डेवलप कर दिया. तो ये अभी बहुत अच्छा हाईवे बन गया. आप देखोगे तो यू कैन सी इट लाइक
रेस ट्रैक
जैसा रोड है, मक्खन रोड बना है. आई मीन kudos to the government who built this, but
yeah, if I would have been
Crazy.
driving, I would have been at 120 ka speed.
don't drive at that speed, it's not safe.
Kudos to the government for making such beautiful roads so that we all can travel safely and nicely and reach places on time. the road infrastructure in Kerala is amazing.
എത്ര ടൂ
ഒന്ന്
ഒന്നും മതി അത് ഹെവി ഒന്നും മതി അവിടെ ബഡ്ജറ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ
I'm having some banana fritters. Banana fritters.
Chef approved.
We came to a tapri and we have ordered Maggie. So I would suggest come to Munnar. You do not need to try the hotels here, but do try the small tea shops around. They serve good food. This egg, we have ordered egg Maggie and it's really tasty. So this is our lunch for today.
Now this is one hell of an experience. मस्त हाईवे के बाजू में मैगी आ रहे मस्त
गरम Maggie.
Look at the view guys, it's crazy. It's a surreal experience and you should give it a try definitely. After 11 years I am coming to my college जो मुन्नार से दूर है, सूर्यनेली में है एक्चुअली. सूर्यनेली इज वन ऑफ द टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स. तो मैं यहाँ पे 11 years बाद आ रहा हूँ एंड completely nostalgia hit हो रहा है मुझे. You can see the road, it's very beautiful. See that.
Yeah, this place looks crazy.
Like straight out of movie set, right?
Yeah, this looks straight out of an Hollywood movie actually. That's the first thing I told him when I saw the gate. This looks like a English college. This is Adesh's college. He studied here for like 3 years and that was 10 years back. He says it has changed a lot and nostalgia has hit him hard. तो वो इधर मुझे छोड़ के चला गया. मैं जा रही हूँ उसके पीछे उसके टीचर्स वगैरह से मिलने. So I'm gonna meet them and then I will show you the place.
Divya said this is my college, this is Mona Catering College. So मैंने यहाँ से hospitality graduation किया था and the nostalgia just hits me hard because मैं 11 years बाद यहाँ पे आ रहा हूँ and things have changed a lot. बहुत कुछ तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. But always this college का special part was like you know the view. I mean it is located in such a beautiful place. I mean आप देखोगे, you can see it in my background. It is so beautiful, green, lush, and the weather is always amazing here. How's it, Divya? Are you enjoying?
Oh, amazing. I was just telling him तू आया कैसा यहाँ से वापस. It's so beautiful. It's crazy. Oh, rainbow.
I don't know guys.
See,
यहाँ पे एक
twice.
रेनबो
दो
है.
है.
दो रेनबो यहाँ पे.
Wow.
But I don't know if the camera is capturing. But this is the view from the convention center.
आदर्श ने घुमा दिया मुझे उसका पूरा कॉलेज and this place is heaven.
We witnessed two rainbows together, guys.
Yeah.
Two rainbows.
I'm sure ये वीडियो में तो नहीं आ रहा है but वहाँ पे अभी भी 2 रेनबो है. Pretty dark and evident but मस्त लोकेशन है. क्रेजी है. कुछ तो डैम वगैरह भी दिख रहा है मुझे वहाँ पे पीछे.
वीडियो में नहीं दिखे थे, but it's very
But
far. Yeah.
It's very far, तो वीडियो में तो नहीं दिखेगा but yeah, crazy place. I think this is in सूर्यनेली. तो जो लोग मुन्नार आते हैं यूजुअली सूर्यनेली आते ही है एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. And
But guys,
trust me,
don't miss out Surineli.
yeah.
आप आओ मुन्नार, प्लीज सूर्यनेली आना. It's a request.
Yeah.
You will love it. You will thank me later. क्योंकि इतना अच्छा जगह है वो. Like सूर्यनेली तो बेस्ट. आप लोग मुन्नार होते कल. But यहाँ का वाइब गाइस.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब कल आई उसने कहा ठीक है मुन्नार है अच्छा है एंड ऑल दैट बट आज जो मैंने व्यूज देखा है सूर्यनेली के टाइम पे oh my god it is breathtaking. You can click so many photos. मुझे कल वापस इधर ही आना है. हम so we have planned he will stay somewhere in Surineli only because it is worth the time we spend coming here. It is approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour
yeah.
from Munnar. So the Google map shows 3 hours. I don't know for what. The roads are amazing to come here. There's a lot of resorts. There's
नहीं,
Club
and there is
Mahindra.
one more thing guys, what we face today. हम एक बड़ा ब्लंडर हो जाता था क्योंकि हमने मुन्नार में देखिए गूगल मैप में डाला तो सूर्यनेली 118 किलोमीटर
हाँ.
दिखाया. बट द ट्रूथ इज इट्स ओनली 25 किलोमीटर्स. आपको टाउन से सीधा एक ब्रिज दिखेगा, वो ब्रिज लेके आपको राइट लेके सीधा आना है. and it will directly take you to the national highway which we showed you in the last clip.
Yeah,
So
the
please
viewpoint.
don't do the mistake of following Google Map. आप फंस जाओगे, आपको बहुत दूर हो जाएगा कि just 25 किलोमीटर है और
Yeah.
मैप 118 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा था गाइस. So please make sure कि आप मैप मत पूछो, आप लोकल किसी को पूछ लो, वो आपको गाइड कर देंगे कैसे जाना है, and that's the easiest part to Tamil Nadu.
And there's a lot of resorts here. There's Sterling Holidays, there's Club Mahindra, and a lot of local resorts also. And the resorts are like ऐसा पीक के ऊपर ऐसे सब जगह पे जहाँ पे उसका व्यू बहुत कड़क रहने वाला है, तो हम लोग ने सोचा कि यहीं पे कहीं स्टे करेंगे. So we are gonna spend our night in Suriname only, and then tomorrow we'll go back to Munnar. So that's the plan. All the traveling today, we went to where else we went today?
So we went to like we were in Munnar. From there we came to Surinelli, and we went to my college. Yeah, like we went there and then we came back here. Now we are at a Lake Zone Resort, which is on the way to Munnar. This is in
Yes.
Surinelli only, like 2-3 kilometers in Surinelli. But guys, this is like a very different kind of a vibe hotel.
Yes, because that is the view. I don't know how much you can see.
But it's like
But-
river, like I can see the lake and
There's a
everything.
lake there, there's mountains. It's crazy.
Fog,
The view
like-
is crazy. I'm sure the night this you can see the fog. You can see the moving clouds here actually. That's the cloud.
Yeah, actually.
You can actually see the moving cloud from here.
We are in
So-
between the clouds right
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Kind of like
Yeah.
somebody from Munnar, if they'll see up, we would be in the clouds. So we got this crazy room. I'll show you the room also. This is the room. A pretty,
It's like a Purana English estate, you know?
yeah, a
Like
pretty good
vintage
room.
vibes.
So we bought this room for 2,800.
Yeah, but I think including breakfast is around
Yeah.
3.2k somewhere like that.
Yeah, including breakfast, it is around 3.2k
yeah.
for a double room. You really don't need AC here because you'll any which ways
Yeah.
freeze to death. So we are not looking for AC rooms here. We just bought a normal standard double room, but the view is to die for. So we thought we'll take this, and it's right on the road. Actually, this is the main road when you go from Munnar to
Munnar.
Suriname.
And the best part is we can see our car. Like it's there. So I am like whenever I travel, I'm like, okay, I want to see my car if it's safe or no. Probably I don't know. I'm just scared about it. And she doesn't like that. You can see her face like it's turning right now. But yeah, I like this thing. Like I can see my car and I'm like staying on the room, and the room is pretty. It's like very pretty. You can see the roof and all, and there are like some rooms above this as well. So this is the lake view room that we took, because I think these rooms are slightly expensive than the normal rooms, which has the backside view. And I see there's a lot of clouds there also. I'm sure that view also would be good. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's very cool. And here we are ending the vlog here because
Yes.
आज के लिए बैटरी डाउन हो चुका है. अब बैटरी बचा ही नहीं है हमारे में.
So tomorrow we are by the way checking out and going back to Alipi, but we'll do a half day trip somewhere explore more. वापस जाने का मन तो नहीं होना है, लेकिन हम कॉलेज मत है ना, तो जाना तो पड़ेगा. मंडे को घर पे बैठ के काम करना ज़्यादा ईजी है rather than working from the car or the hotel. So इसके लिए हम लोग कल हाफ डे हम लोग घूमेंगे and then we'll go back to Alipi. So that's the plan. So stay tuned. One more part of Munnar may come up. So stay tuned and we will show you more of Munnar in the next vlog.
Thank you guys. If you see it till here, thank you so much. Subscribe if you have not hit the subscribe button. And also remember that if you have anything to ask us, comment there. We'll personally comment on every comment that is there on the video. I'm looking forward to that. Let's talk and let's connect. And thank you if you are still here.